Very good, very good, very good. Much better, much better. So how can you do this now? How can you do this now? You're doing it perfect. So now can you see a picture loaded on your screen?
Yes.
Can you see a picture loaded on your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what are we going to do with that picture? What are we going to do with that picture? Before that, everyone sit straight. Then why don't you sit straight? Come on everyone, sit straight. Sit straight. Yes. And whenever you are asked to answer something, answer louder and clearer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, if you're answering, yes ma'am, I'm fine, thank you. How is that? How is that? If the sound goes on like this. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. We are going to start the session. We are going to have a session now. Are you all ready for the session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You want it this way? You want the session to go on this way?
No, ma'am. Oh,
No, right? We have to be a bit more louder and clearer, right?
yes.
The same thing, when you are asked to do something, when you are asked a question, you have to reply more louder and clearer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Edwell, sit straight. Okay. So let's move on to the session. So today, this is the picture. You have an idea what are we going to do, right? As in the previous sessions, today also we are going to play a game.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Louder. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Boy.
Very good. Well done.
Cat.
Okay. So everyone listen. Very good, Elvin. Very good. Okay. The clue. How are we going to play this game? I'm going to give you a clue. Suppose one of your friend is sitting in the session wearing a hoodie. One of your friend is sitting in the session wearing a hoodies. Who is that? Who is that friend who is attending the session wearing a hoodies? Do you know hoodies? Yes, Agamya. Agamya? Who is wearing hoodies?
Yes.
Who is wearing a hoodies? Sorry? Agamya is wearing hoodies? No dear. So you have a confusion with hoodies. Okay. So I change the topic, like one of your friend is sitting in the session and behind that friend you can see balloons. Behind that friend there are balloons.
Anna Rose.
Ah, very good. Anna Rose. Anna Rose. So that is how we are going to play this game. So that is how the session works. Ayan, Aniyan, sit straight, please. Remove that thing from your head. Yes. Okay. Well done. So that is how the session is going to work, and this is the picture for today's session, and we are going to start. Everyone, listen and look. Look, my friends are in the park. My friends are in the park. Mark is fishing. Mark is fishing. Mark is got a fish now. Touch Mark. Touch Mark, everyone. Now, I want to know what is the color of Mark's boots. I want to know the color of Mark's boots.
And green. Green.
Okay, now everyone listen. Do you remember me asking you to answer in a complete meaningful sentence? You have to answer in a complete meaningful sentence. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes. So answer me, what is the color of Mark's boots?
Green. Green color. Red color. Mine are green in color.
I still heard some color. No.
Color.
Very good.
Color.
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 Color. And Mark's boots are green in color. Again, when you are saying the sentence, the graph goes down. Mark's boots are green in color. The graph goes like that. Mark's boots color are green in color. Why is that? Mark's boots are green in color.
Mark boots is green in color. Mark
Very good.
green in color.
Well done. So now moving on to the next question. Ready for that? Okay. There is Grace. She is sitting under the tree. She is reading. Grace loves doing that. There is Grace. She is sitting under the tree. She is reading. Grace loves doing that. Touch Grace. What is the color of Grace's book?
Red.
I heard the one word answer. I need a sentence. The color of Grace's book is the color of Grace's book is red. The Grace's book is red in color.
Color is red in color.
Very good. Well done. Better. Getting better. Very good. So now the next one. Oh, look, Dan is there too. Dan is holding a baseball bat and he is waving at his friends. Oh, look, Dan is there too. Dan is holding a baseball bat and he is waving at his friends. Now touch Dan. Touch Dan. What is the color of Dan's shoes?
Dan's shoes is orange color. And Dan's shoes is orange color.
Very good, very good, very good. And again I can see some of you had leaned. Come on, sit straight. Sit straight. Sit straight. Well done. Very good. Sit straight. When you are asked to touch, touch the screen. Just extend your hands, not the whole body. Okay? You need to touch the screen by extending your hand, not the whole body. Okay? Yes? You understood? Okay, start. That is Alex. That is Alex. He is got a new skateboard. Alex loves skateboarding. That is Alex. He is got a new skateboard. Alex loves skateboarding. Touch Alex. Touch Alex.
Touch mom. Touch mom.
Okay, now I want to know what is Alex wearing on his head. Sorry.
Helmet. Blue.
What is Alex wearing on his head?
Helmet.
Helmet and blue helmet. That is the common answers I heard. And again, I asked to answer in a complete meaningful sentence, right? You have to answer in a complete meaningful sentence. Alex is wearing a blue helmet. 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 Yes. Now moving on to the next. Can you see Eva? She is the one with the kite. I like Eva's purple boots. They are beautiful. Can you see Eva? She is the one with the kite. I like Eva's purple boots. They are beautiful. Touch Eva. Touch Eva. Did you touch Eva? Yes. So what is the color of Eva's boots? What is the color of Eva's boots? Purple is wrong. It's purple. Ra is silent. Purple. 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 Sit straight. Sit straight. And the last one. Ready? The last one. Okay, before that, let me see the faces. Yes. Joanna, smart. The last one. The girl with the long black hair. The girl with the long black hair at the table is my friend Alice. The girl with the long black hair at the table is my friend Alice. Alice enjoy playing board games. Alice enjoy playing board games. Touch Alice. The girl with the long black hair at the table is my friend Alice. Alice enjoy playing board games. What is the color of Alice's dress?
The color of Alice's dress is
What is the color of Alice's dress?
the color of the Alice's dress is
Very good.
White and blue.
Well done everyone. Well done. Very good. So you may clap yourself. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Now, we still have time, right? As promised, you can watch the song. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, before that. Session. Bye-bye. So please sit straight in the next session, okay? Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye,